How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Anbernic Rg35xx not charging. So basically, when you encounter this problem, the first thing that you want to do is to use the original Type-C charging cable itself, because in some other cases, the voltage and other technical stuff will not work on the console. So once again, you want to use the original cable. From there, what you want to do is to also remove the battery pack behind the console. So basically, it's going to be something like this one. You want to remove this screws at the back of the controller, or I mean at the back of your console. Try to remove the battery and then try to just reinsert it back in. Now, while you're at it, you could also press the power button on the console itself. So it's going to be this one. You just want to press the power button for at least 10 seconds. Now this will drain out the electricity from the circuit board itself, because in some other cases, the circuit board will not charge if there's or stored electricity in it. So just make sure to hard reset it first by holding down the power button, making sure that it's drained out of any battery or any electricity. From there, you then want to charge the device with the original cable for at least 15 minutes. And from there, basically, you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.